Hi again, everybody. We have another fairly easy arrangement of an old standard, I'll Fly Away, the old gospel song written by Albert Brumley. And it was featured in the movie Oh Brother, Where Art Thou? And it was sung by Alison Krauss and Gillian Welch. So it became more famous because of that movie. But anyway, we've got a banjo arrangement for you, and it is now incorporating, instead of just all notes, straight notes, no slides, hammers, or pull-offs, this one I added or incorporated a slide on the third string, a very common bluegrass banjo slide, and it is starting, you put your middle finger, third string, second fret, and you slide it, you hit that note, and I just take it to the third fret because the next note I'm going to hit is the second string open, which is kind of leads into that kind of thing. So again, second fret, third string, middle finger, hit it, the thumb, slide to the third fret, and at the same time your finger gets to that third fret, let it ring a bit, and then you hit the second string open, and then release. Release, don't hold it there like that. Release it when you hit the second string open. Some people slide right to the fourth. Oops. I just slide to the third. Most people do. So in this one, I'll put the tab up in a minute, but for now, the arrangement, banjo arrangement itself starts with that slide. And it comes again. And again. So on the first four measures, there's three of those slides. There you go. So practice that if you haven't done it before. My first 5 videos on easy arrangements had no slides, so this is new for those who are following my series on easy banjo arrangements. It's kind of subtle. There's a nuance to it. You get it right. You don't want to hold it too long. You don't want to let it go too soon. That's too soon. You play around with it. Your ear will tell you when you're doing it, just like the guys on your CDs or on YouTube. So anyway, take a crack at this. This one, it's not just the verse I've arranged, it's also the chorus. So we got a full sweep of the whole song. So if you're ever at a jam and you've learned this is a fine arrangement for anybody in a jam, going to a jam, and this song comes up. Again, I don't know if you folks know about capos. But say you're at a jam, and the leader of the song wants to do this, and he wants to do it in A. So you've learned it now in G, right? Open. If you know anything about capos, or if you don't, G is open. This is the way we've got it here. If he wants to do an A, you put a capo on the 2nd fret, just behind the 2nd fret. I don't have my capo here right now. So A, he wants to do an A, capo here. Remember now, you've got a short 5th string. You have to, since you went up 2 frets here, you have to put this up 2 frets. So if you had either railroad spikes or a sliding 5th string capo, put it down here at the 7th fret. I've got little railroad spikes. It raises that as if I had a little capo here for the 5th string. Well, some of them have sliding capos, some banjos. But anyway, remember that. The guy wants to sing it, somebody wants to sing it in A, guy or gal. Capo 2, hook this 5th string at the 7th fret, or 2 frets higher from where the pip is. The pip, the little 5th string nut pip. Okay, just that little reminder in case you've learned this, you got to a jam, and the guy says, "Well, I sing this in A," and you go, "Oh, what do I do?" Well, get a capo. What if he wants to sing it in B? More capo news. All right, so you went A, G, just like the alphabet. A to G in music, and then it starts at A again after G. There's no H, except in Bach. No. So G is open, 2 frets higher is A. From A to B is 2 frets. So you want to sing it in B? Well, capo at the 4th fret. Hook this up here at 9, at the 9th. And you'll be fine. It's a little bit about capos because you can run into this. Okay, so here comes the tab. I'll be up for 5 or 6 seconds. The tab will come up for 5 or 6 seconds. So you take a screenshot of that. And then I've got a slower video coming up at the end where I play it slower, and you can it'll be on YouTube, so you can slow it down to half speed if you really want to hear every single note and follow it along on your tab. Hopefully you print the tab off and you follow every single note on the tab. It goes from the page to your brain, and then later to your fingers, and you play it. That's how we learn music. So have fun with it. Good luck.